Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by updating and pairing. Make sure the PS5 firmware is current and both controllers are connected. Once done, sign into 2 PlayStation accounts because the game requires separate profiles for local play. Next, launch Black Ops 6 and choose a mode that supports split screen, such as local multiplayer or specific co-op playlists. Do this now so you can skip delays. Pairing and account selection let the game detect 2 players immediately, which is why you prepare them first. You press the PS button on the second controller and sign in with the second account. This registers player 2 for local play. Once both players appear, go into the game's split-screen options to select horizontal or vertical layout, because screen division affects sightlines and comfort. Make sure to adjust each player's HUD scale, brightness, and sensitivity settings now, so neither player needs to pause later. Doing this core configuration improves aim and visibility, which is essential for competitive balance in call. You hit start to launch a match once loadouts are set and both players show active. If the second player isn't detected, immediately repair that controller and re-sign the account. This often resolves the connection handshake. If problems persist, restart the game or reboot the PS5, then re-enter the same split-screen mode. Also verify the selected mode actually supports local split screen, because some online-only playlists disable it. This final check fixes most issues and gets you playing side-by-side quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.